Hi there. I heard you're trying to improve your English listening skills. Is that true? I'd love to help.
Yes, that's right. I really struggle with understanding English when people speak fast. It's my biggest problem right now.
I completely understand your frustration with that. Many English learners face the same challenge when they're starting out listening.
Really? I thought I was the only one having such a hard time with it. That makes me feel better.
Not at all. It's one of the most common difficulties for learners. The good news is that it gets easier.
That's encouraging to hear. Can you give me some advice on how to practice listening better every single day?
Of course, there are many effective methods you can use. First, how much time do you practice listening each day?
Honestly, not very much at all. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes when I remember to do it during the week.
That's a good start, but try to increase it gradually. Even 30 minutes daily makes a huge difference over time.
30 minutes? That sounds like a lot. Do I need to sit down and focus the whole time?
Not necessarily. You can listen while doing other activities like cooking, cleaning, or exercising at home or outside somewhere.
Oh, that's a relief. What kind of things should I listen to for practice? Are there specific materials?
Great question. You should listen to content that interests you personally. What are your hobbies or favorite topics exactly?
I really love cooking and traveling to different countries. I also enjoy watching movies in my free time a lot.
Perfect. You can watch cooking shows in English, travel vlogs, and movies with English subtitles at first, initially.
Movies with subtitles? I usually watch movies with subtitles in my own language instead. Should I change that habit?
Yes, definitely. Start with English subtitles so you can see the words while hearing them at the same time.
That makes sense. Should I watch with English subtitles forever or eventually turn them off completely at some point?
Eventually turn them off, but that's a gradual process. Use English subtitles until you understand about 80% clearly.
80%? How will I know when I reach that level of understanding exactly? Is there a test?
You'll feel it. When you're reading subtitles less and understanding more from just listening, you're getting there successfully.
I see. What about podcasts? People always recommend podcasts for listening practice. Do they really help improve skills?
Podcasts are excellent for listening practice. They're free, convenient, and cover every topic imaginable under the sun today.
Can you recommend some good podcasts for beginners like me? I don't know where to start looking for them.
Sure, look for podcasts specifically designed for English learners. They speak slower and use simpler vocabulary throughout each episode.
That sounds perfect for my current level. Where can I find these special podcasts for learners exactly online?
You can find them on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube. Just search for English Learning Podcasts in the app.
I'll do that today. Should I listen to the same episode multiple times or different episodes every day?
Both strategies work well. Listen to one episode several times until you understand everything completely before moving forward.
How many times should I listen to the same episode? 2 times, 3 times, or even more than that?
At least 3 times is good. First time for general understanding, second for details, third without pausing at all.
That's a smart approach. I never thought about listening with different goals each time like that before now.
It really helps. You discover new things each time you listen. Your ears catch words you missed before earlier.
Interesting. What about music? Can listening to English songs help me improve my listening skills too much or not?
Yes, but be careful. Songs often use informal language, slang, and the words aren't always pronounced clearly in music.
So songs aren't the best for learning? I love listening to English music all the time, every single day.
Music is great for motivation and learning casual expressions. Just don't make it your only listening practice method always.
Got it. I'll combine music with podcasts and shows. What about audiobooks? Are those helpful for listening practice?
Audiobooks are fantastic. They use clear pronunciation and proper grammar. Start with books for children or young adults first.
children's books, won't those be too easy and boring for an adult like me to listen to regularly, though?
Not at all. Many children's books have great stories. Plus, the simple language helps you understand without struggling too much.
That's a good point, actually. I'd rather understand everything clearly than struggle with difficult books and feel frustrated always.
Exactly right. Understanding builds confidence, and confidence motivates you to practice more. It's a positive cycle that continues building.
I like that idea. How fast should the audio be? Should I listen at normal speed or slow it down?
Start at normal speed if possible. Your brain needs to get used to natural English speaking speed eventually.
But what if it's too fast and I can't understand anything at all? Should I just keep listening?
If you understand less than 30%, slow it down a bit. Many apps let you adjust the playback speed.
Oh, I didn't know that feature existed. What speed should I use? Like 75% or 80% maybe?
Try 75 or 80% speed first, then gradually increase it as you get more comfortable understanding the content better.
That sounds like a good plan. How long will it take before I can understand normal speed easily?
That depends on how much you practice daily. With consistent practice, maybe 2 to 3 months, you'll notice improvement.
2 to 3 months? That seems like a long time to wait. I was hoping for faster results, honestly.
Language learning takes time and patience, but you'll notice small improvements every single week if you practice regularly.
I guess you're right about that. What else can I do to improve faster? Are there any tricks?
Yes, try active listening, not passive listening. This means really focusing and trying to understand every single word completely.
What's the difference between active and passive listening exactly? Can you explain that more clearly to me, please?
Active listening means paying full attention and thinking about what you hear. Passive is just having English playing in the background.
So I can't just play English audio while I sleep and wake up fluent? I heard that somewhere online.
I wish it worked that way. Unfortunately, you need to be awake and actively engaged for learning to happen.
That's disappointing, but makes sense. So I really need to focus and concentrate when I practice listening every time?
For serious practice sessions, yes, but passive listening still helps a little. It gets your ears used to English sounds.
Okay, so I should do both then, focused practice and also casual listening throughout the day when possible.
Exactly. Maybe 30 minutes of focused practice and then English in the background during other activities throughout your day.
That sounds manageable. What about watching the news in English? Is that a good listening practice activity or not?
News can be challenging because they speak quickly and use formal vocabulary. Maybe wait until you're at intermediate level.
What level am I at now? How can I know if I'm beginner, intermediate, or advanced already?
If you understand simple, slow English but struggle with normal speed, you're probably at beginner to early intermediate level.
That sounds about right for me. So I should stick to learner materials and simple content for now.
Yes, for now, but challenge yourself sometimes too. Try watching short news clips to see how much you understand.
That's a good idea. I can test myself and see my progress over time that way, clearly.
Exactly. Keep a journal of what you can understand each month. You'll be amazed at your progress later on.
A journal? Should I write what I understood or just rate my understanding from 1 to 10 maybe?
Both. Write a few sentences about what you understood and rate yourself. It helps you track improvement over the months.
I'll start doing that today. What about speaking with native speakers? Does that help listening skills improve too much?
Absolutely. Conversation is the best practice because it's real, interactive, and you get immediate feedback from the other person.
But I'm too shy to talk to native speakers. What if they don't understand me or laugh at me?
Most native speakers are kind and patient with learners. They appreciate your effort and want to help you succeed always.
Really? I always worry people will judge me for my mistakes and poor pronunciation when I speak out loud.
Don't worry about that. Everyone makes mistakes when learning. It's normal and expected. Just try your best each time.
That's reassuring. Where can I find native speakers to practice with? I don't know any English speakers personally here.
Try language exchange apps or websites. You can also join online conversation groups or English clubs in your city. Language exchange apps? How do those work exactly? Do I have to pay money for them or not? Many are free. You teach someone your language and they teach you English. Both people benefit from the exchange equally. That sounds fair and helpful. I'll download some apps tonight and try to find a language partner online somewhere. Great idea. Also, try watching YouTube videos about topics you love. There are millions of English videos available for free. I watch YouTube all the time already, but I usually watch videos in my own language instead of English ones. Start switching to English channels. Find creators who speak clearly and make content about your interests and hobbies you enjoy. Do you have any specific channel recommendations for someone at my level learning English right now, currently, today? There are channels specifically for English learners with clear speech and subtitles. Search for English with and different topics. I'll search for those. Should I take notes while watching or just watch and listen without stopping the video? For learning videos, take notes of new words and phrases. For entertainment videos, just enjoy and absorb the language. That makes sense. Learning should be fun sometimes, not always serious study work with pen and paper constantly everywhere. Exactly right. Balance is important. Mix serious study with fun, relaxing English content you genuinely enjoy watching or hearing. I like that balance idea. What about TV series? Are those good for improving listening and understanding English well? TV series are excellent. You follow characters and storylines, which helps you stay motivated to keep watching every episode. Which series do you recommend for learners? Should I watch comedies, dramas, or something else entirely different from those? Start with sitcoms like Friends or The Office. They have everyday conversations, and the episodes are short, around 20 minutes. I've heard of Friends. Everyone talks about that show. Is it really good for learning English conversation skills? Yes, the language is natural and conversational, plus the situations are relatable and the humor helps you remember new words. Sounds perfect. Should I watch one episode per day or more than that if I have enough free time? One episode per day is a good goal. Watch it twice, first with subtitles, second without them or pausing. Watch twice? Won't that be boring to watch the exact same episode 2 times in a row immediately like that? You'd be surprised. You notice different things each time. Second viewing helps reinforce what you learned from the first. I'll try that method. Do you think I should repeat new words out loud or just listen quietly? Definitely repeat them out loud. This improves your pronunciation and helps your brain remember the words better through speaking.
That's good advice. I usually just listen silently. I didn't realize speaking along helps listening skills improve too much.
It definitely does. Your mouth learns the movements and your ears hear yourself speaking. It's double practice at once.
Wow, I never thought about it that way before. So speaking practice actually helps listening too? That's really cool.
Absolutely. All language skills are connected. Improving one skill helps improve the others at the same time naturally, always.
That's encouraging. I feel more motivated now. How long until I can understand movies without subtitles at all, completely?
With daily practice, maybe 6 months to a year for most movies. Action movies are easier than dramas usually.
Why are action movies easier? I thought they would be harder because they speak fast during exciting scenes.
Action movies have less dialogue and more visual context. You can understand the story from what you see happening.
That's true. I never thought about that before now. So I should start with action movies first then.
Yes, or animated movies. Those often have clear speech and simple stories that are easy to follow visually, too.
Animated movies sound fun. I loved those as a child. I didn't know they could help me learn now.
Learning should be enjoyable. When you enjoy the content, you naturally pay more attention and learn better without forcing it.
You're right. I'm going to make a list of all these suggestions and start practicing today, right after we finish.
That's the spirit. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Practice a little every single day without fail, always.
I will. Thank you so much for all this helpful advice today. I feel much more confident about improving now.